There it goes. Could you hear it? Okay. What you just saw was me cracking open a traditional British holiday cracker. This is something that I've just discovered this season, and I'm probably really late to the game. But if you're late to the game too, then I'm going to bring you into the party. We're all going to be joined together with this amazingness. This is something that you can put at every dinner plate on your table for Christmas to celebrate with your family, and it's just something simple and fun that everybody can do together. Bring us all together for the holiday. I was able to find these crackers at TJ Maxx, which is a local store here. You may have Marshall's, kind of varies depending on where you live, sometimes Home Goods, that type store. And there's 12 of them in a box for $10, so less than $1 a piece. My issue with them is that the toys and the gifts inside are kind of small and not the best. They're kind of an inexpensive, cheap toy, which is what they're meant to be, and that's fine. But you know, I can't just do so. I gotta like zhuzh it up a little bit. So instead of going with that, I decided to purchase some little items that would go inside of the cracker to change it out. Now, if you want to be super DIY and super crafty, you can definitely make these crackers with either a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll where you put the toy inside, you wrap it up, and you can actually buy these things that make the popping sound on Amazon. I actually bought a bunch of them thinking I was going to fully DIY this until I found these for a cheaper price. So I decided to go semi-homemade, which honestly, that's what I have time for right now. So I'll show you how to semi-home make these. Again, basically these come tied together. You can see here, I'll show you what they look like when they're all together. It has these ribbons around them, right? There is a piece of paper that's got the cracker that actually makes like the little firework pop sound that runs all the way through these. So you don't want to disturb that part, but you can take the ribbons off like I did here, pull these off, and you can see here it's now open, the end is open, and you can put all of your things inside. So if you want to customize them to each guest that you have for Christmas or every family member that's for Christmas, that's a super fun thing to do to really make the dinner special. So traditionally inside each of these there is a crown, which you see on my head here. They're made out of tissue paper. They're nothing super special, but they're super fun. One of those would go in, and that's already in there. So that's the part that you don't have to recreate yourself. Then they're gonna have the gift of some sort. We've got the magic cards. You can put the old gift in there if you want. And then the joke. The joke is also key. The cheesy dad joke is always what goes in there. And then what I bought were things like lip balms that are Christmas themed. I bought some little miniature single clay masks for the people in your life who need a facial and love a facial. And then I'm at Stokely, and they had these, oops, it's running away from me. They had these teeny tiny little air plants and these teeny tiny little fairy succulents. And these will also fit inside of there. I mean, look how perfectly, like it still fits inside. So you can get super creative with the gifts that you put inside and still be under like $1 or $2 to have this really special moment with your family. So you guys go and discover these at TJ Maxx. You can also buy them on Amazon. They're a little more expensive on Amazon. But if you can scour and find them, it's a really great holiday tradition to start for your family. And to be honest, I might be buying them up just so I can use them for years and years in case I can't find them in the future. If you guys try these, I want you to send me pictures and tell me how much your family loves this new tradition.